When your GoChair Med arrives, it will be contained in 2 boxes. The smaller box will contain the seat and seat components. The larger box will contain the unit and rest of the components. Once you cut the banding and remove the top lid, you will see the owner's packet, battery charger, seat post, and controller. Once you unpack these items, please remove the styrofoam lid. Then you will see the base of the unit. For easier removal from box, please remove the battery box first. This will lighten the unit and make it easier for one person to remove the unit from the box. The setup for the GoChair Med will begin by inserting the seat post into the base of the unit. You have 2 points of adjustment for seat post height. Please note, when installing the seat post, it must be installed correctly with the seat stopper facing the back of the unit. This will ensure that the seat will rotate and stop correctly. Once you have determined the height, use one of the included detent pins to secure the seat post to the unit. Next, install the battery onto the unit, followed by the seat. Next, we will install the armrests. Begin by loosening the thumb screw and removing the detent pin. Then slide the lower half of the armrest into the receiver tube on the back of the seat. Once you have your desired width, reinstall the detent pin and tighten down the thumb screw. Next, we will install the upper half of the armrest. These are height adjustable. Once you have the desired height of the armrest, tighten down the set screw on the outside of the armrest with a 4mm hex key. You will then repeat this process on the other side. When securing the harness from the joystick, it is important to keep it away from any snag points and to make sure there is enough slack so it does not cause damage from everyday use. Once the joystick side is established, slide the joystick bracket into the armrest channel and tighten using a 4mm Allen wrench. There are 2 securement point holes on the bottom of the armrest. Lift the armrest up and leave it there until the harness is completely secure. The reason for this is to allow the proper amount of slack for everyday use. Using medium-sized wire ties, route the harness on the inner side closest to the user and use 2 wire ties on the armrest. Next, secure the harness on the back of the lower armrest bracket. Then plug the joystick in and secure the harness on the back armrest receiver. Once secure, test for power and make sure the harness is clear of any snag points. Cut the excess off the wire ties flush. This is to limit the chance of scratching the user. Now the harness securement is finished and ready for use. The GoChair Med is a rear-wheel drive power chair with a 300-pound weight capacity that maneuvers extremely well inside the home, mainly due to its compact size. The GoChair Med has a black compact seat with a sizing choice of 18 by 17 inches or 20 by 18 inches. The arms are height, width, and angle adjustable. Rear pocket storage, the GoChair uses the GC Electronics package with an 18 amp-hour battery pack. The GoChair Med is also part of the travel line because of its ability to disassemble into 4 manageable pieces, with the heaviest piece being 36 pounds. To disassemble, first unplug the joystick, fold the backrest down, then remove the seat by pulling straight up. Next, place one hand on top of the seat post for stability and the other on the handle of the battery box. Pull up and remove. Next, lift up the bracket located behind the seat post to separate the front and rear halves. Reverse the steps to assemble. The GoChair Med features an angle adjustable foot platform. The GoChair Med comes in an all-black colorway, complete with blacked out wheels and rims. The front caster wheels have the added easement wheel, which allow the GoChair Med to qualify for Group 2 by allowing the chair to climb up to a 40mm curb. The placement of the joystick harness. The GoChair has a disconnect in the rear, which makes it easy to disconnect and remove the seat. The competition uses one long harness from the control module to the joystick. This makes it harder to keep out of pinch points and harder to remove the seat.